you'll be learning type of thumbnail designs. Let's dive in to the tutorial. Type of thumbnail designs, which is storytelling thumbnail. Like I said, storytelling thumbnail is a thumbnail that tells a story about your video. Just the thumbnail tell a story. Let's look for two examples on this. Okay, if you look at this thumbnail, you look at this thumbnail, these two thumbnail, 5 days. Looking at it, it tell you a story, and this one, I rescue 100 abandoned dogs. All these two thumbnails tell you a story about the video. Alright, let's look at another second type. Second type is straightforward thumbnail. It's a thumbnail that tells people about your video. Directly, it tells people about what your video is all about. Let's look at the examples of those thumbnails. Something like this. Okay, something like this. Look at this. Developing a saving culture. You see, it's simple. It's not fixing your channel. This kind of thumbnail will really helps you something, and most of the time those kind of thumbnail is mostly used in educational systems. Or in the next tutorial we'll be discussing on benefits of thumbnail.